Hello everyone, welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today I want to show you how to make Japanese mayonnaise. I remember my cooking class guest said they love Japanese mayonnaise. So I was wondering, what's the difference? And it seems the Japanese mayonnaise is a little bit smooth and it's not too sour and a little bit sweet. That's the reaction. That's right. And Japanese people love mayonnaise. There is a word, mayora in Japanese. Mayora is the people who love mayonnaise. They even put mayonnaise all over the rice and eat only rice and mayonnaise. I'm sure you're surprised. I only use mayonnaise to put on a boiled egg and eat together. And also I garnish mayonnaise on top of the okonomiyaki, Japanese savory pancakes. Also put mayonnaise in a potato salad to add a creamy texture. And this is a traditional Japanese mayonnaise. Mayonnaise in Japan is usually in a plastic container. And during this video, I want to show you some tips and useful techniques to make homemade mayonnaise delicious. Okay, are you ready to cook? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. And the recipe is very simple. Please prepare a wet towel, put bowl on it. It helps to stir. At first, we put egg yolk in the bowl. And I prepare other container to put egg white. And once it fills, I use for baking. Okay, now we add salt. I recommend to put some salt, not too much. Then white pepper. Now we add rice vinegar. I'm sure you can use other vinegar, but to add a Japanese flavor, I recommend to use rice vinegar. Then mustard. So we start to stir all of it. Now here's the tip. Okay, let's start to add canola oil, little by little. And please keep the same speed. This is very important. And once you're adding, you feel that the mixture is getting thick and heavy. Yeah, I can see them. But it's getting very creamy now. We keep adding oil. If you dump in the oil, it will be failure. So please keep in mind. Yep, now the mayonnaise is almost done. And I can smell the sour flavor. Okay, now I move the homemade mayonnaise in a container. The color is a little bit yellow compared to the pre-made one. It looks so delicious. So let's taste Japanese mayonnaise. So homemade mayonnaise is done. So let's try tasting. Ta-da! So I prepared some vegetables. It's very mild. And I feel it's very homemade. It's definitely good with vegetables. And it's also good for the dressings. So in this case, please put mayonnaise and let's say oil, some oil, and vinegar, and maybe lemon juice, and salt and pepper, and mix all together and please pour on the salad. And it's delicious too. So how about trying making mayonnaise at home? It's gonna be a very nice experience. And it's very reasonable to cook. You just need rice vinegar, egg, salt and pepper, mustard. And by the way, if you want to add more sour, I recommend to add lemon juice. If you want to reduce sourness, I recommend to add white wine as a secret ingredient. So please adjust your favorite texture and flavor. Yeah, that's good about homemade thing. You can control as you like. Yeah, and if you like spicy, I recommend to add chili powder or chili oil. It's also good. And here in Japan, it's also famous to add wasabi paste and mayonnaise, and add some soy sauce to make paste, dressing paste. And people eat with, like today, vegetables or avocado or celery. So you can do as you like. Also, people put the sauce on top of the fish and grill. Or you can also grill with meat. So there are so many ways to enjoy homemade mayonnaise. So please try it out. Okay, so do you remember the tip today? Tip 1, please put the wet towel on the bowl before stirring. And tip 2, please pour the oil very slowly and like you see the strings. And please stir in a same speed, so don't dump in the oil. Tip 3, if you want to control flavor, please use lemon juice and also white wine. And if you want to add a little bit sweet flavor, I recommend to add honey or sugar a little bit. So that's the tip. If you recreated my recipe, please let me know. Please hashtag YUCa's Japanese Cooking on Instagram, Facebook. I'm always happy to see them. So thank you for watching and supporting and subscribing this channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please subscribe this channel and turn on the notification so that you will get the new information. So thank you for watching, everyone. See you next time. Bye. So today I come to the local supermarket. I showed very basic mayonnaise recipe, but there are so many kinds in Japanese supermarket, so I will show you. In Japan, Kewpie, the company and also the brand, is very popular. Can you see the baby doll on the package? That's a Kewpie character. Since it's made of lots of oil, as you know. So oil is important to make mayonnaise. This is a mayonnaise that uses 30% flaxseed oil. It is recommended for people with high blood pressure. And this is a product for those who want to lower their cholesterol levels. So it's a 50% less calories. This mayonnaise is made of without using egg. And this is non-cholesterol mayonnaise. And this is the one with 80% less calories. And this is the one from Ajinomoto company, 65% less calories. And this is made of perilla oil. And it has an omega-3. And this is a little bit expensive compared to other one. And this is a mayonnaise with using fertilized egg. And it's from Kyushu region. Yep, so as you know, there are lots of mayonnaise. Different size and different calories. And this is a traditional Kewpie mayonnaise. Have you ever seen this package in your country? Near the mayonnaise section, I found mustards. I used the yellow mustard in my recipe, but it might be interesting to use the Dijon mustard to make homemade mayonnaise. I'll do that. I put another recipe with using this Dijon mustard. It's a salad recipe. Please check it out.